Why do we dream? Dialogues only. Every night, your brain creates a full movie, with plot twists, weird cameos, and zero budget. But here's the creepy part. Scientists still don't fully know why. Dreams mostly happen during REM sleep. Rapid eye movement. Your eyes are darting around like you're watching a tennis match, but your body? Frozen, paralyzed on purpose. Theory 1. Your brain is cleaning house, sorting memories, tossing the junk. Theory 2. It's a threat simulator, practicing danger so real life doesn't catch you off guard. Theory 3. It's just random noise, your brain trying to make a story out of chaos. Here's the wild part. Blind people from birth still dream, just with sound, touch, and smell instead of images. So next time you wake up confused about why you were being chased by a giant sandwich, your brain was just doing its job. Weirdly. Subscribe for more brain weirdness every week.